My last evening here in Gulfport. After 2 months in the St. Petersburg area, all my boat work is done, and I'm finally able to continue my voyage south and east. First thing in the morning, I'll head to the fuel dock to fill up, and then set off. But for now, I'm just going to sit back and enjoy the sunset. Okay, I'm going to try to record leaving. It'll be a cluster, but there you go. And lower on. Whoa, that's not good. What's going on here? Okay, momentary panic there, but I had the stop cable pulled out, so that's why I didn't start. Alright, this time should. There you go. I can have myself worried for a second there. Check. We've got wood flow come out there. Alright. Okay, I'm crossing, or about to cross under the Sunshine Bridge for the umpteenth time. Hopefully this will be the last time in a wee while.
It's bloody freezing out here. It's a cold wind from the north east.
Okay, there's my dinghy. Legally parked, apparently. I'm allowed to come here, I'm allowed to anchor it so long as that's not in the way of pedestrians. I'm not allowed to tie it to anything. Yeah. I think that's me over there. National Park Service DeSoto National Memorial. Boat is over there somewhere. Another boat over there somewhere. Useful information. Look at this. Beautiful little beach. After a couple of nights in the Manatee River anchorage, I sailed back past Egmont Key and out into the Gulf of Mexico. Hoist sails, turn to port, and head down to Longboat Key Pass, where I'm going to anchor for the night. At last, I don't know if you can hear that sound of silence.
Engine's off, sails are up. Had to put the motor on again. That's Longboat Key over there. We're going into Longboat Key Pass, which is in there somewhere. A couple of hours. Okay, good morning. It is the 23rd, Thursday 23rd today. Just left Longboat Pass, Longboat Key. Always nerve-wracking getting out through bridges, but they were very helpful. Now sails are up, winds 16 knots, more or less south east, but enough to sail on. I'm doing 3.5 knots, which is good enough for boarding. I'll probably have to put the engine on again a bit later on, but enjoying it while I can. So this entrance is called Boca Grande, and it's the entrance up to Port Charlotte. I believe this is Charlotte Bay. Might be wrong with that inside. My plan is to go in and tuck in. I can't see it. But basically, this is an island here, and I should be able to get in just behind there somewhere and anchor up for the weekend with a bit of luck. Oh, wobble. Okay, well, that was a little stressful at the end. I'm here in Pelican Pass, or Caia Costa is over there. Very sketchy coming in, super shallow. And then inside the bay there's all sorts of shoals, and where I first anchored, when I let out this chain, I blew back onto somewhere that was like 3.5 feet. So I'm here for hopefully for the weekend. Relax. Done a fair bit of miles over the last few days, and it's supposed to be nice weather for the next couple of days, so I'm just gonna sit here, chill. Right now I'm gonna have a beer, and then I'm gonna do my final log entry for the day. Whew, cheers. I don't know if the sound quality's any good. Yeah, my mate Nev suggested I purchase some of these wireless mics, which I've got here. This little gizmo, tap tap, and the receiver is on the camera, so hopefully it's good quality, better than before. Alright, now to enjoy the next hour and a half before sunset. Oh boy. Log. They say don't bring your logbook onto the into the cockpit, but when you're solo, that's next to nigh on impossible. So I keep it in this brilliant Ugo waterproof bag, and I can clip it onto the jackstay if I'm in rough sea. Alright, where are we? Okay, this is pretty spectacular. I think my lens is all fogged up though. It wasn't my lens, it was my glasses. So I'll take my glasses off. Alright, here we go. That's me. I'm going to pan all the way around. This is something beginning with a P, not penguins. A couple enjoying their own little private island. I think that's me out there. Okay, so tide is rising. Let's see what's down here. So I've reached an impenetrable wall of mangrove, so I can't go any further. It's a bit of a shame. Yeah, yesterday this sandbank was absolutely jam-packed full of powerboaters. It might not be, I mean it's early now, it's only just 9:45. There's one boat just arrived. It's a bit duller today, so maybe not so many people will come out, but we'll see. I'll take a video of it if it does fill up. You know how I said it would fill up? It was full yesterday. That's the line-up of boats. I'm only going up the road about 10 miles to position myself for leaving to head to Key West on Wednesday morning. So I've got all day today. Just spoke to the marina in Key West, and it's first come first serve at the mooring balls, so no booking required, just have to pitch up. Winds were forecast to come out of the northeast and then round to the east, but that seems to have died down and delayed a little bit, so it'll probably be a bit more motoring than I'd originally hoped, but yeah. So Fort Myers took a direct hit from Hurricane Ian last year, so I think there's a lot of repair work going along here, and that looks like an unfortunate result. This is a pretty little anchorage, only kind of fair weather anchorage for the moment because it's pretty exposed, but there's virtually no wind. Yeah, I've got the anchor alarm set. I've got plenty of chain out, so fingers crossed I should be okay. I'll need a good night's sleep because plan is tomorrow morning to head straight out that a ways, hang a little bit of a left and head to Key West.